Shida yategese end of year party nyuma sije nagudibwiridde ku Keizi Keizi wa from Tegedde ali mu kibuga
ina the area
ali mu kibuga jo
kakati ali na the area Keizi ali namu
mukwano baiba Keizi tewampadde ku sente z'abazungu so Ageesigika mwe bali ddala kupanga ate mutwagala mutulaba naffe tubagala nnyo otugambyeko Christmas tugabane okuva mu Peps okuva mu Mountain Dew Aquafina ogula lita 2 mu any supermarket yonna jobo tusemu wabula over the weekend ekyakoze amawulize abadde gundiza ASFARS oba mpaka Fashion Awards esitegekebwa omukulu Brands of course it's been chiruddewo emyaka gyonna basinga muzimanyi he's been organizing them very perfectly ekyakoze amawulire ye kyabadde Bad Black yabadde host by the way then waliwo munagane yazze I'm trying to remember the name ngayambadde emitwe egitunula neno ayina erinnya zivu some pretty girl she's a very good fashionista in Ghana ye yabadde ndowooza ng'omugenyi gwe bayise bweru
naye gwe okay njagala kwebaza gaayi wano bamuyita Ivan
bakwongedde ku
Ivan abikoze Ivan tuseme ategedde ndibi addala nga woba akana mumpe Christmas ate ndi waddala kama makuba oluseke mu kitege
oyina okuyiga oluseke nyamnyamu tenalabye Kampala kweka
sabo kumpe Christmas omwaka mulamba nemba ko
Bambi I'm happy that he gave you thank you so much
kubafani bange
Bambi have fun by the way
munyumira mumpe Christmas
Jackster wano wali alizobanga ina mwe chatano ayo
njagala kulaba how much I can leave this show with
ndamo bongere namba bozo tujitale yizofunirawe birabo
namba yino 0705 369685 tashi njagala kulaba mafa 0705 369685 Bambi Ivan to see my because wano
thank you Ivan
anovi ya inemba bazi
niriro nga bashesheboka be bali
mawe teka
mawe guys
I'm happy by that. You know it feels good to be appreciated.
Naize munsi muno tulino yigo kuba oluseke lero olufuluma wano ngenda kuba oluseke buli bwaga ali musimu
kanda baba kagabange banayi mumpe kanda baba njagala Tashi I want to know if we have people who want to watch us.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Okay.
So guys, tuine mpaka awards ezabadde over the weekend zitegekebwa omukulu Brands Miss Uganda mulaba Mama Navio beba mukubagabye awards Prim Asimwe our baby girl yawangudde awards banja bawangudde ne katubibalaga olw'ensonga y'obudde ennaku zino December tuyiri byobulango nammwe mubulaba so katwalage ku bice byabaddewo Zarina wuyo yabaddeyo n'abantu abalala bangi of course we cannot mention names ne tugamalayo ne katubalaga emboozi
became a legacy. Across the years, the ASFARS have chronicled Africa's style evolution from couture to street, from emerging talent to global icons, from local runways to international fashion capitals. These awards have not only crowned winners, they have changed lives, opened doors, validated dreams, and turned passion into profession. From Kampala to the continent, from Africa to
Tonight, it is our honor to present the Positive Change Award to Hannah Karema Tumukundi, Miss Uganda 2023.
Thank you so much, ASFARS, for this award. My name is Hannah Karema. I was Miss Uganda 2024, and I launched my foundation, an initiative that is advocating against early marriages and teenage pregnancies because the life I escaped. It is so soon enough to receive an award. That means that there is so many people out there who see and actually recognize our work. Goes to Brenda Nanyonjo.
Deeply honored, truly humbled to receive this award, being recognized for this contribution fashion, and also entertainment industry as an educator, a mentor. It's really amazing. When we set out to do this work, to mentor and groom, it's not for their words, but being acknowledged on such a platform, I very much appreciate Brian and his entire team.
Ladies, don't lose hope. You'll get married even if you've just given birth to 10 children. Single mother of 4, number 5, I'm getting married. My fiancé is just 28. That is it. So what are we doing here? Enthusiast of the Year Award presented to Prima Simwe. So Alex Mohan refused to give you the award because he's your ex. No? Really? We had to give you a award together. He's like your ex. Congratulations. For somebody that just wakes up every other day and just wears whatever the heck she wants, this means a lot to me. I hope that tomorrow, when you leave your house, you show up as your true self and just whatever you want, just wear that. As long as you're comfortable and you feel good, you look good, you look fresh. Thank you, Abrams. Thank you, ASFARS.